Want to clear the NISM Series 8 Equity Derivatives exam in just 15 days? In this video, I'll give you a complete 15 days crash course strategy that can help you to clear the exam in your first attempt. Before we start, it is important to understand the exam pattern. 100 questions, passing marks 60%, negative marking 25%. Now, let's get started. Day 1 to 5. Understand basic of the exam. Key subjects include derivatives basics, basics of options, trading strategies, clearing, settlement, regulations. Day 6 to 10. Focus on high-weightage topics. Don't study randomly. Focus on futures contracts, options trading strategies, key statistics and trends, trading and clearing systems. Some topics carry 20% weight each, so prioritize them first. Day 11 to 13. Build strong concepts. Focus on concept building. Watch video lectures. Make short notes. Understand formulas. During the exam preparation, focus on concept clarity. Day 8 to 12. Practice mock tests. Now shift to practice mode. Solve 800+ questions if possible. Attempt full-length mock tests. Analyze mistakes. Day 13 to 14. Quick revision strategy. Revision is very important for this exam. Revise short notes. Focus on formulas and key concepts. Revisit weak topics. Practice previous mistakes. Avoid new topics here. Day 15. Final day strategy. Attempt 1 to 2 mock tests. Stay calm and confident. Attempt easy questions first. Avoid blind guessing. Final tip for 15-day strategy. Study 2 to 3 hours daily consistently. Focus more on application-based questions. Revise regularly. Mock tests equals key to success. Many students clear this exam within 10 to 15 days with proper strategy. If you want updated short notes, mock tests, video lecture, and structured preparation guide, visit our website www.nismexams.in. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NISM exam preparation.